everyone. This is Kenetchi Arts, and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. So if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel, and let's proceed to the video. I love when I was in grade 7 or 8 is Yugioh. Okay, so Yu-Gi-Oh is part of my childhood. It is a thing in me. Well, I still play Yu-Gi-Oh and I really enjoyed it. And for those Yu-Gi-Oh fans, here's the video for you. So, the thing in this video is I will let my mom, yes, my mom again, I will let her choose 3 Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Okay, that I will draw. Okay, so it's not that I will draw each of these cards. I will put all of them into one single composition or one single illustration for you guys. Okay, so I will call my mom and let her choose. So I'll be back. Okay everyone, so I'm done now dividing each of my cards. So these are the spell card, trap cards, and you can see all of the monsters. So I have the spellcaster, dragons, machine, what's this, beast, and aqua, warrior, and fairy, and fiend types. Okay, so I have all of these range to work with. So here's my mom right next to me, and now she will choose 3 Yu-Gi-Oh cards around these ones. Okay, all of these. Okay, so mom, let's hop into it. Okay, so here are the 3 cards that my mom picked from a bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh cards that I owned, and let's take a look. So we have here Field Commander Roz. Yeah, he has the King Arthur vibe here. Yeah. Then we have here Sacred Spirit of the Ice Barrier. Yeah, so pretty cool. We can take advantage of the ice power of this guy. So, yeah. And we have here Levier the Sea Dragon, and this is a very interesting dragon from, well, not technically is a dragon, is an aqua type monster. So yeah, and if you can take a look at the design, it's so unique and typically very cool to look at. See? So yeah, so my opinion along these cards is kind of challenging. It's not what I've expected, but this is what I've got. So I'm hoping to get some more of like a magician thing here, or more of the dragons, because those 2 are my favorite archetypes, the dragons and the magicians. Because before I'm playing dragon rulers, chaos dragons, and prophecies, and now I'm playing dark magician. So my preference is on that line. But here I get the Sacred Spirit of the Ice Barrier, Field Commander Roz, and Levier the Sea Dragon. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and let's hop into the illustration. So I'm now finished on my illustration, and I do really enjoy combining or using these three cards in the illustration, and I hope you like the video. And for the full breakdown of my process in that illustration, stay tuned for that in the upcoming weeks, because I will upload it in my YouTube channel. And if some of you are kind of disappointed for not seeing Dark Magician, Red Eyes, or even Blue Eyes White Dragon in this video, don't worry guys, I will upload more Yu-Gi-Oh videos for you, and stay tuned for that. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.